Hello friends, today we will discuss what is creativity and test to check creativity. Creativity is the ability to generate new, original and valuable ideas by combining existing knowledge in novel ways. It involves divergent thinking, problem solving, imagination and capacity to view situation from multiple perspectives. Creativity can be expressed in various domains such as art, science, writing and everyday life. Types of creativity tests. Creativity tests are psychological assessments designed to measure a person's creative potential, mainly through tasks involving divergent thinking. These tests generally focus on four aspects: fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. So, the first is Torrance Test of Creative Thinking, TTCT. It is developed by E. Paul Torrance in 1966. It is most widely used worldwide. Its types are: first, verbal test, use written or spoken prompts. For example, what would happen if humans could fly? Figural test involve pictures and drawing tasks like complete and incomplete figure. Measured components. Fluency measures number of ideas, originality, uniqueness of ideas. Elaboration is level of detail, flexibility, variety of idea categories. Second is Guilford's divergent thinking test. It is developed by J.P. Guilford. It focuses on ability to generate multiple solutions. For example, alternate uses task list as many uses as possible for a brick. Consequences task: what would happen if gravity stopped? Third is Remote Associates Test, RAT, developed by Sir Mednick. It tests convergent thinking as part of creativity. Previously, we are knowing that creativity is divergent thinking, but this remote associate test the convergent thinking as a part of creativity. The person is given three words and must find a word that links all three. For example, three words are given: cottage, Swiss cake. Answer is cheese. Three words are given: cottage, cheese is there. A variety of cheese is cottage cheese. Swiss cake. It is used in Swiss cakes. Fourth is Wallach and Kogan creativity test. It is designed for group administration. It has been administered in groups. Includes tasks such as instances: name as many round things as possible. Alternate uses, unusual use for common objects. Then number 5 is Creative Achievement Questionnaire, CAQ, self-report test, which measures real-life creative accomplishments across domains like visual arts, music, writing, scientific discovery. Sixth is PASI test of creativity. It is done in Indian context, developed by B.K. PASI. It measures fluency, flexibility, originality. Useful in Indian schools for assessing creativity in students. So these are the tests of creativity. Thank you.